How to fix videos not playing on Google Chrome. So first of all, try opening the video in your incognito mode. Start by simply opening the app. Now tap on the three vertical dots right over here and tap on New Incognito tab. Then type in the video that you're searching. For example, World Cup song. Then try playing over here.
Shakira, we are ready.
As you can see, it works. If it does, then the main problem is your cache. Now simply close the app and hold on to the app for some time and tap on the app info icon right over here. Scroll down to the storage section and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. After that, simply tap on force stop right over here and tap on OK. Then simply close the app. Now finally go to your Play Store and go to search bar and type in Chrome and hit search. Now tap on the app and see if an update is available. If there is update, there will be an update icon. Make sure to tap on that and update to the latest version. If it says open, that means your app is already up to date. Simply tap on open then. Now this should fix all the problem. If not, then your internet connection may also be the problem. Scroll to the navigation bar, turn on airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Till then your Wi-Fi network will be reset. Then turn it off. And if your Wi-Fi is still not stable or is slow, you can always switch back to mobile data and try playing the video on Chrome. And that's it, guys. In this way, your problem should be solved. Thank you for watching the video.